Hello everyone, welcome you all in my new video. This is the fourth video of General Science series. So our first problem is the most abundant element found in the human body is. So 99% of human body is consist of six element. So these are the six element. The first element is oxygen, which is nearly about 65%. Second one is carbon, which is nearly about 18.5%. Third one is hydrogen, 9.5%. Fourth is nitrogen, which is about 3.2%. Fifth one is calcium, which is about 1.5%. And the last is sixth one, which is phosphorus, which is about 1%. So these are the six element which is the nearly equal to 99% of mass of human body. So oxygen is the element which is most abundant element found in human body. So third option, that is oxygen, will be the correct answer. Next question is human body contains. So about 70% of water human body contains. So first option will be the correct. So next question is smallest bone in the human body is. So the steps is the smallest element, smallest bone in the human body. Strip shaped zone and smallest bone in human body, which is found in middle of human ear. So second option will be the correct. And femur is the largest bone in the human body. Next question is which one of the following protein is present in the human hair and nails. So keratin is extremely strong product that is major component in skin, hair, nails and teeth. So second option will be the correct. Next question is which of the following are required for the formation of bone and teeth. So calcium and phosphorus, which are hard and white heavy element and which is required for formation of bone and teeth. So fourth option, that is calcium and phosphorus, is the correct answer. Next question is match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer using the code given below. So in table, this is your table first, this is your list or table second. So first, if we'll take positron, so positron carry one positive charge and spin is half of the electron, which means fractional spin. So C will match with first. Next is neutrino. Neutrino have nearly zero mass, which means A will match with neutrino, which match with zero mass, and positron is fractional spin. So A second and C first. So option first will be the correct. Next is quark, that is quark have fractional charge, which means third is match with B, and phonon which have integral spin. So fourth will connect with D. So A will match with second, B which is matched with 3, and C which is matched with first, and D with fourth. So option A will be the correct. Next question is which one of the following is a fundamental particle. So fundamental particle are subatomic particle which with have no substructure. So the particle which did not have substructure is known as fundamental particle, which are quark, leptons, antiquark, bosons, etc. So quark is the fundamental particle. Next question is in an atom the order of filling up of the orbital is governed by. So this is the Bohr principle. On the basis of Bohr principle we will fill the electron, that is electronic configuration is derived from above principle. So first option will be the correct. Next question is the number of electron and neutron is an element is 18 and 20. So number of electron, that is number of proton, which is equals to 18, and number of neutron is 20. So mass number will be sum of neutron plus proton, which is equals to 38, which means third option is the mass number of that element. The isoneutronic group in the following is, so we have to find the isoneutronic group. So if we check in first, in 6C14 number of neutron is, so this is 12 not 14. So in 6C12 number of proton is 6. In 7 and 14 number of proton is 7, and in 8O16 number of proton is 8. So this is not isoneutronic because number of neutron is not same. Similarly, next is 6C12. So this is number of neutron will be 6. 7 and 14 again 7. So this is not same. Next is 6C14. So here number of neutron is 8. Next is 7 and 14. So here number of neutron is 7. So this is not an isoneutronic group. So last one, which is 6C14. Here number of neutron is 8. Second one 7 and 15 number of neutron is 8, and 8O16 number of neutron is 8. So fourth option, that is this one will be the isoneutronic group. So this answer will be the correct. Next question is, in India celebrates National Science Day. So India celebrate National Science Day on 28th February. On this day C.V. Raman discovered the Raman effect. So on 28th February India celebrate National Science Day. Next is God particle is, so Higgs boson is the God particle. Next question is, which of the following is the best conductor of electricity? So electrical conductivity is a measurement of amount of electric current which a material can carry. So amount of electric current a material can carry. So best conductor is silver. So silver will be the best conductor of electricity. Next question is, the conductivity of semiconductor at 0 Kelvin is. So basically the semiconductor are the material whose electrical conductivity varies between conductor and insulator, and at 0 degree Kelvin semiconductor behaves like a insulator, which means conductivity will be 0. So option 0 will be the correct. Next question is, which physical quantity is represented by the ratio of momentum and velocity? So ratio of momentum and velocity. So we have to find this ratio. So momentum will be mass into velocity and upon velocity, which is equals to mass. So the ratio will be mass. So third option will be the correct answer. So I hope you like my video. So please subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. Thank you so much.